With a little inspiration and a few DIY tricks, you can refashion thrift store clothing and pair it perfectly with a ready-to-wear wardrobe. DIY expert Jane Manzurez has all the current styles with department store looks paired with one refashioned item from the thrift store. Jane, thanks for coming in.
I'm so excited to be here. This is so much fun to do.
These outfits are incredible, so I want you to just dive right in and tell us what you've done.
So the challenge here was to take one item from the thrift store, refashion it, and pair it with a ready-to-wear outfit. Bloomingdale's stepped up to the plate. They said, fine, Jane, what do you got? So I've got a team of people. I got Clarence, I got Style by Deco, Bloomingdale's. It's a team effort. We put it together. Let's start with Laura D.
Okay.
And can you tell what's been refashioned here?
Is it the sweatshirt?
No.
Oh.
We're looking here at the black. That's good. The trousers, black trousers. Maybe they didn't fit in one area. So what I did was I added a silver stripe down the side. You know the stripe, tuxedo stripe, very on trend. Added it to the black trousers. I used a necktie.
Oh my goodness.
I used a silver necktie to put down the sides of those trousers, and we paired it with the ready-to-wear piece, which is the off-the-shoulder black and metallic blouse. So that's so on trend right now.
So, okay, the next model, it's the sweatshirt.
The next model, right. Well, so the cool thing about the next model, the sweatshirt, this was once a very plain gray men's sweatshirt. So how do you get this distressed look? It's a bleach bath. So you kind of wrap this up like you would do tie-dye. You soak the sweatshirt in the beach bath, let it sit there for as long as you want, rinse it out, wash it out. I put a zipper up the back for a little bit of more statement to add to this sweatshirt, and we paired it with the always trendy black or leather leggings and some window booties. Isn't that cute?
How did you do this?
This you just put in that beach bath. Try and say that.
Right. Well, and I like that you paired it with the leather leggings, because those are available almost everywhere.
Yes.
A range of prices, and oftentimes I don't know what to wear with that. So I'm glad that you changed.
And you're elevating that ugly sweatshirt, and you're making it cool and fun. Right.
Okay. With our next look.
Yeah, our next look. I love this little black dress. It is a closet staple. You're always looking for something to cover your shoulders with. You need to be warm. What Keisha is wearing is an old skirt turned into a capelet. So you cut up the back of the skirt, and then you tie that around her shoulders. Now she's warm, and she's got a cute statement piece.
Adorable. Those boots are to die for.
Aren't those great? Those are super fun, too. Of course, a little splash of color. So I want to move on to our next model, if we can, and that is Willow, and she's wearing the athleisure trend. So our ready-to-wear is the athleisure trend with the stripes up the pants. On the side, you can take your flannels. They're not for just throwing on your body anymore. What she did here was update it. We took the front of a rock t-shirt.
Wow.
We put it on the back of that flannel, and now this flannel has a really cool, stylish look. Lots of character.
Okay, the next two models.
Next two models. Wonderful. I love that. Come on out. We've got Jenny and Sasha. Jenny is wearing updated denim, and so on the updated denim, I love this. If those pants don't fit, maybe the bottoms of your jeans are ratty, cut them off with some fancy fabric. We partnered that with the ready-to-wear fur vest and beautiful blouse. And then Sasha is wearing a men's tuxedo shirt that we just took in on the sides, and now it's a sleeveless shirt that we've just paired with some really cool tapestry shorts.
I want to see the bottom of her jeans, too, if we can pan the camera down, because those are incredible, and they look so good over those heels. Yeah, I love that.
With that, don't be afraid to cut into these garments. Cut into it. You're not going to make a mistake, and super fun to add the fabric to the bottom of those garments.
You ladies look lovely. I'm going to steal every single one of those outfits in the dressing room. Yes?
Just quick, if you can't sew, glue it. Fabric glue. You can pin it. You can bring it to your neighbor down the street that has a sewing machine, or bring it to a seamstress.
You can do it. That is the message. For more information, where do people go?
DIYbyjane.com. Again, I want to say thanks to Clarence for doing their beautiful makeup. Style by Deco and Bloomingdale's.
Thank you, Jane.
Thank you.
Coming up here on Good Day Chicago, it's a Cinderella story that we hope will continue. And Jake is on the north side as the Loyola Ramblers depart for the Final Four. Jake?
Hey, Nat, that's right. The Ramblers on their way to the Lone Star State, but as you can see, plenty of fandom still here at Rogers Park. We're going to take you inside, tell you everything you need to know as we head to San Antonio. Good Day Chicago continues when we come back.